Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our Tajweed series with Ahlan Quran. In the last episode, we introduced the science of Tajweed. Today, we will talk about what happens when Tajweed is not applied, the common mistakes that can occur in Quran recitation known as Lahn. What is Lahn? The word Lahn means error or mistake. It's an Arabic word. Scholars divide mistakes in the Quran recitation into two main types. لحن جلي, which means clear mistakes. لحن خفي, which means hidden mistakes. لحن جلي, these are major errors that are easy to notice. They usually involve changing the letters or vowels, like reciting word قلب, which means heart, as كلب, which means dog. That's totally changed the meaning of the word. Such mistakes are haram when someone does them intentionally because they distort the words of Allah. لحن خفي, these are more subtle errors. They are often connected to tajweed rules. They don't usually change the meaning, but they go against the proper way of recitation. For example, not elongating the mad correctly or skipping the nasal sound. The recitation is still understood, but it loses its beauty and correctness. Like reciting ولا الضالين and make it ولا الضالين without mad, or saying min sharri rather than min sharri by skipping the nasal sound for ikhfa rule. The Quran was revealed with tajweed, and the Prophet ﷺ recited it with tajweed, so we have to apply tajweed rules. لحن جلي can change the meanings, but لحن خفي makes recitation weak and less beautiful. Our goal as Muslims is to respect the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and recite them in the way they were meant to be recited. Inshallah, by studying Tajweed step by step, we will protect ourselves from these mistakes and recite the Quran as it was revealed. Stay with us for the next episode where we will learn more.